You know, I'm a little disappointed in the squad. I'm gonna tell you why. I don't think I posted a video for about a week now, okay? Very out of character for me. And I don't think any one of you have commented or asked where I've been or expressed any concern. It's like, you guys don't care about me or something? Jeez. I thought we had a stronger bond than this. Unreal. Anyway, we're gonna go do some gutter cleaning today. We have got to get it done. I mean, I keep trying to get a warmer day, but it's just not gonna happen. We're lucky if we're hitting 32. We're just gonna make it happen, and we can't miss out on all these jobs. We got about close to $4,000 in work that still needs to get done before the year is over, and I don't want to miss out on that. Okay, so come on with me. So on our second job, I didn't record anything from our first one because my phone was really low on battery, so I let it charge. But gutters were completely packed, and we cleaned them out really quick. It was a really flat roof. Anyway, we're actually back at a job we were just at. We're just at this job probably 2 or 3 months ago. And what do you know? These gutter guards are all, so it's like the stuff is like freezing in there and it's collapsing, and then everything's clogging because nothing can pass through. It's a mess. It's just a big block of ice. I'm not putting these back on for her though, because if we didn't put them back on to begin with, we probably wouldn't have had to come back here. So these are just causing a bunch of problems. They're garbage. I won't install them for people. I've been asked to install them, but no way. Here's what we're looking at. It's just solid ice in here. So, see what I'm trying to say? They're collapsing. They're like falling in there, because all the debris just sits on top of them. And this roof is so steep. I bet stuff would, I don't know, when you start putting dams and stuff on things that are supposed to flow, then like a lot of this stuff could probably just flow right through the downspout. When you start putting dams on things, it just builds a dam and then nothing can get through. If you haven't gotten one of these gutter tools, it's a necessity, especially when stuff's frozen like this. When it's frozen like this, it looks completely frozen, but it's actually like, let's see, I can move it, you know, it's kind of nice. You can just kind of hit it and it breaks into chunks, and then I'm just throwing the ice chunks on the ground. It's literally just ice. It's just a water dam. Snow. So yeah. Alright, back to work. We gotta get some gutter cleaning done. Finally, it's about 40 degrees. We're able to move around and get some stuff done. So we did all this gutter cleaning when everything was frozen. So I gotta get all this stuff out of the truck. Here's some gutter guards. We removed these from a client's house because it was so bad. See how they're kind of curled? They were failing so bad that all the debris would just pool up on the top, freeze, and the gutters were useless. So I took them off for her. I told her they were bad when we cleaned them 2 months ago. Just in 2 months, we had to come out and redo our gutters, and they were bad. So, yep, we're gonna get all this waste out of here, make sure we're all good for the gutter cleaning. We snapped a rope on our 32-foot ladder, so I gotta restring a rope on there. Matter of fact, I think the rope broke on this one too. Yep, it did. So we're gonna get some ropes on the ladders and try to get her done. We got a late start today. It's Friday after Thanksgiving, so you know how that goes. But we got it. We'll get it. Alright, so we got some cleaning up done. We got our truck all rigged up for gutter cleaning. What we do is just bring a bunch of 5-gallon pails. I always keep a blower with me. a broom, some poles, a ton of bags. We're bringing the trailer this time because it's a big job and we might want to flush out big sections of gutters. Otherwise, you could totally just use a garden hose and a sprayer like this to flush the downspouts. Now, keep in mind when you're putting the waste in a bag, it's going to be wet. So you want to put them in a bag and then only put like 2 full 5-gallon buckets in there max. You don't want to fill those bags up at all. Also, sometimes we'll put the bags in a trash can, so then it's, or like a bin like that. That's why I'm bringing that bin, so we can just haul it to the curb instead of, you know, you'll find out once you, after a couple times of picking a bag up and it just falls apart, you'll learn how to avoid that. Another thing with gutter cleaning, well, I'll talk about it on the drive there. They were gonna be closed, so we had free range, but I guess let's go ahead and get the ladders taken off. I'm just gonna document a little bit for the YouTube channel. How long do you think it'll take us to get this done?
Hour and a half.
You think so?
2 hours.
That'd be fucking awesome. I'm thinking like 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, just because it's so big. So, we got the power washer. Hi there. So we got the power washer, so we should be able to flush this stuff out. But the only way to get to this gutter there is by bringing a ladder on the roof. Oh, unless we want to walk the roof, but it's probably not realistic because it's, you know, cold. Well, it's kind of warm out now, but it might be icy, is what I'm getting at. So it might not be realistic to walk on it. But it is flat. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. We'll time it. I'm saying 3, and that's being liberal. But hour and a half is doable. We'll see if Aaron's got his rock star pants on today or not. So he's up there breaking up anything frozen, scooping it out, filling up the 5-gallon buckets. We'll fill them up. We fill up 2 of them max. So we'll fill up 2 buckets and put it in a bag, and that's it for the bag. Only 2 full 5-gallon buckets, and then the rest we just got to put it in another bag, otherwise they burst. So that was all the way up there. It's very tall. Of course, it never looks as tall on camera, but man, I've been on a lot of ladders, and that's probably the highest I've had to extend that thing. Thanks. So you guys see all this still frozen, and we're at like 40-something degrees, so that's why I'm such an anxiety thing trying to get this all done. So for next year, I'm really going to work something out with my clients and try to get them taken care of and try to educate them that, like, you know, if we can clean this, even if there is leaves on the trees, if we can get them clean, you know, the leaves will fall through if it's cleaned out. You know, they only build up after a while. Like, I don't know, I'll try to explain them that, like, you know, give them a 30-day clog-free guarantee and blah, blah, blah. But we had everybody want to get it done in November. Everybody. And it's like, dude, there's no way I'm going to get to it. So that's something to try to keep in mind. When they want to wait for the leaves to fall off, just be like, hey, everybody wants to do that. So I can't guarantee we'll get to you. You know, I can give you a 30-day clog-free guarantee, though. This is kind of a fun spot to work. We got a little section of gutter to clear out yet, but came up here, brought some ladders up here. Aaron's up there doing his thing. Yeah, I think he might be right. We might get this done in an hour and a half, if that. That's why that 8-gallon a minute come in handy. Just blast it out. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Just gonna send it. Hit that thing about 3/4 full throttle. Beautiful, beautiful. Well, we got the whole place done. Thanks to Aaron, we got the whole place done. Woohoo! Hell yeah. That was what, an hour? It's 1:12 right now. We got here at 12 or 11? Do you remember?
It's only been like an hour, yeah.
Yeah, I think we got here at 12. Yeah, we did get here at 12. I'm positive of that now. Sweet. Let's pack her up. On to the next. So one story. All the way around the house's gutter. So I'd say it's at least 150 foot, so $150 job. All the gutters are packed with leaves just from these big trees in the back. There's nothing up front here really, but there's leaves all over everything. So cleared out. Anyway, the power washer hooked up, rinse everything out, make sure the downspouts are flushed, and on to our last job. That's our next job will be number 4. It's starting to get dark though. Last gutter cleaning job of the day. I bet we can get out of here in an hour. Easy. We've been doing great. Long ass day, man. Sometimes you just gotta work in the dark. You know? Hey, ma'am.
How are you?
Good. Look at all this yard waste.
Holy crap.
I
We're not
know.
gonna pick up all that yard waste, are we?
They better. Why wouldn't they?
Yard waste days are over.
No, don't say that.
What if they don't?
I wish I had my flash on. It's in the morning. Yay!
Freaks come out at night.
Look at all that